What's good, ladies and gents? Checking out Cardano today. It's pumped absolutely massively and everything is just green, green, green. Look at this market. It looks absolutely beautiful. And you can probably already sense that thrill and euphoria that's pretty much going on. And yeah, crazy, crazy times ahead. So Cardano's had a massive pump today, up by 30% over the few days, and the daily green candle we've got, well, it's absolutely huge, as you can see, all the way from like 0.78 over the last few days up to $1.09. So let's look at a bit of news first off. Crypto's reclaimed $2 trillion capitalization overall. Cardano's ADA leads gains in majors. So this is really, really vital, and ADA has been trading in this consolidation for a while now. If we look at the crypto fear and greed index, we're ticking down just around 31, so we're still relatively fearful despite the big pump that we are getting right now. So it just looks really, really good. So there is a bit of a news analysis here fundamentally as well. Cardano price prediction between 2022 and 2025. So we have been in a downtrend since all of the geopolitical crisis that's been happening, Ukraine, Russia, but we are getting a bit of major news because we have got major upgrades coming for Cardano, and they're getting rolled out in 2022 slowly but surely. So we can see here they've got the short-term Cardano may need to retest historical supports at $0.3. Well, I personally don't know if that will ever happen. I think looking at the charts, I think it's extremely unlikely, but it's possible because there's not really a lot of support from 0.4 to 0.67. It's quite an empty space, and that is actually one of my reaccumulations in a true bear market. If it comes down to 0.38 ever again, I will literally do anything to get as much Cardano as possible. So yeah, I can agree with that in some sense. So the support levels between 0.3 and $1 levels now are resistance until the end of 22. So we are back above that $1 level, which is actually crazy. We're finally above that $1 price level for Cardano. So here we can see the Cardano price would face little resistance above if it can close a monthly candle back above the $2 level by the end of 2023. And the crypto markets rally in the run up to 2024. Bitcoin halving, the most bullish ADA crypto price prediction would be, to see it making new all-time highs in 2024, 2025. So I think that's quite a pragmatic approach, really, what they're saying here. The lengthening cycles, the undervaluation, and then, trading sideways for a while because we don't want to see another big impulse followed by a big crash. So I have been saying many times, with Cardano, anywhere around here is a really good reaccumulation zone. So if you did buy at 0.8, I managed to grab a bit actually around 0.86. It's a very, very good level, and we are a bit overbought on the RSI, but it's nothing really too major. And what I'm looking for now is this double bottom playing out right here, and you can see just along here we're getting a bit of a double bottom reversal play out. So there is a lot of resistance at this $1.08 level where we are getting rejected right now. And if we can bust through and come up to around $1.25 for Cardano. So it isn't looking awful. It's looking really bullish, actually. I'm very keen. That big 4-hour green candle right there, all the way from 0.98 to $1.07. Maybe some people will be shorting this because the RSI is a little overheated at the moment. So we could potentially expect some pullbacks down to maybe the 0.96 or the $1 level. If we can hold here and actually create a bull flag, then that will be very, very bullish. And it looks like potentially we are holding this level here on the 5-minute time frame. Again, it does look like a bull pennant, and I don't really like to use the time frame much, the 5-minute time frame, but when I look at that, I do see a symmetrical triangle, I do see a bull pennant, and I do think it could be likely that we break above this resistance, maybe revisit those $1.20 price levels for Cardano in the near future. So yeah, guys, really, really bullish, amazing pump on that daily time frame. We are up by a solid 11%, and over the last few days, if we just look from literally here, we're up 40% in just 11 days. So that's really, really big. It's just a big double bottom reversal pattern. Are we going to see continuation to the upside, or are we going to get rejected and come down to the 0.8 level again? It's really hard to tell. Only time can tell, really, but we can use some data to help us sort of, work out what is more likely to happen. So yeah, trading in this range at the moment. hopefully going to smash through to some real big, you know, local highs in the next few weeks. So after the $1.08, we've got the $1.27, followed by the $1.59 as well. Big resistance level over here at 1.59. So they're the targets. It does look like this was a good dollar cost average range. So if it comes down to that 0.8 level again, do potentially consider another dollar cost average entry, you know, in small weights of 2 or 3% as per capital allocation. That's not financial advice. So that's what I would be doing. And yeah, it just looks really good. Very, very bullish on Cardano. I'm going to leave the links down in the description, such as the Discord. If you want to hop into the community, it's completely free. There's plenty of people for you to say hello to. I'll also leave down there this Learn to Trade Telegram for you, where you can get educated, you can get signals, and much, much more too. So that's about a wrap really for Cardano. Extremely bullish, long-term, hyper bullish by 2025. So if you like this video, the anti-hype, please smash subscribe, leave a comment down below, leave a thumbs up, and yeah, catch up soon. Leave suggestions, by the way. Bye for now.